How do you rapidly diffuse stress in the moment and quiet a racing mind? Let's look at the STOP technique. I'm Dr. Nishi Bhopal. I'm a physician specializing in integrative psychiatry and sleep medicine. If you'd like to learn how to improve your sleep without medications, I invite you to download my free sleep guide. The guide is available at intrabalance.com/sleep guide, and the link is also available in the video description. The STOP technique is a really easy, super simple 4-step process that is derived from a mindfulness practice. And it's something that works really well to relax your nervous system and calm your mind in the moment, especially if you're experiencing a moment of stress. This technique is perfect for situations that you might experience as stressful, for example, during a job interview, or when you're giving a presentation, or if you're in the midst of some sort of a high conflict situation. Even if you find yourself getting up in cycles of self-criticism or self-judgment, the STOP technique would be really helpful. Another great time to practice this would be if you're awake in the middle of the night and you have racing thoughts and you're unable to sleep. You might find that this practice would be really helpful in that type of a situation. Anytime you're getting caught up in unhelpful thoughts or unhelpful emotions, the STOP technique will help bring you back to the present moment. How to do this? The S stands for stop. So you simply stop what you're doing, take a pause. You can even imagine a stop sign to give you a visual cue to do this. The T stands for take a breath. So once you've stopped, then simply take a breath, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. So you inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth with pursed lips. This is going to immediately help to calm your nervous system. The O stands for observe. So observe any thoughts or any emotions or any physical sensations that you're experiencing. Observe what types of thoughts are going through your mind. Notice what you're feeling. Observe if you have any tension in your neck or in your shoulders or elsewhere in your body. There's no need to change anything. You simply just want to observe and notice. And notice without judgment. There's no good, there's no bad, there just is. Just observe. Then the P stands for proceed. And here is where you decide what you want to do next. You want to proceed with intention. You can do this practice for 5 seconds or 5 minutes. Do it as quickly as you need to in the situation to help ground yourself. Or if you have time, take the time and go through it slowly. You can customize this to your needs and to whatever is appropriate in the moment. You stop, take a breath, observe, and proceed. Keep this tool in your back pocket because it's really effective. And it's a good idea to practice it even if you're not in a stressful situation, because then when you are in a stressful situation, you already know how to do it. You're not trying to figure it out in the moment when you're already maybe not feeling so grounded. I'm a big proponent of doing these kinds of micro practices on a regular basis. So the STOP technique is a great one to do every day. Pick a checkpoint during the day and try it out and see how it feels. And the more you practice it, the easier it will be to implement it when you really need it. The idea here is that things are always going to come up. We're always going to be going through situations that we might find challenging. We can't change that, but we can change how we experience the situations and how we relate to them. If you have a moment now, go ahead and practice the STOP technique. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to get more simple tips on well-being and sleep.